So then, I've been coming down to Rock Park to see the Iron Bridge every other week or every other month, and just to catch the unique way of it being repaired. So yeah, I've just been coming down here, get little shots of the place and this, that and the other, and saying the odd thing. So yeah, here's my montage of the Iron Bridge repair. Yeah, they have done a little bit to it. They've taken all the side panels off the bridge.
Oh yeah.
I got a feeling they're going to jack the whole thing up, then repair the columns, because well, I don't see any other way you're going to do it. But can you see from the can you see in the middle bit where the top metal bits are beginning to bend?
Yeah.
Actually, if I hold the camera there, or even raise it up, you can see it on the camera a little bit, but yeah. You get a lovely view of it down here. Yeah, they've installed the jacks on those arms ready to jack the bridge up. Yeah, that's how they're going to do it then. So what they're going to do is jack the bridge up, replace the legs. You can see underneath it. It's pretty cool. It just stands up there all day long, isn't it? Yeah, it's those two columns in the middle there that are damaged. Yeah. I think it's this one here is the one with the damage on it, but it's a bit strange because from up the top it looks like the bridge is twisting elsewhere. That's not twisting, that's the shape of the metal. There, is that? Solid as fuck. You get. There we go, got a lovely shot of the hydraulics. Yeah, not bad. Well, it's changed up here a little bit. They've put a Harris fence up with a little pedestrian gate on it. Not being funny or anything, but I can get through. Look, you can see the big yellow things. They've got big yellow things like they used to have in the Little Chef video. But yeah, it's changed a little bit up here now. They've set up security and all that nonsense. Yeah, some of the panels have been ripped off the bridge, and they've set up a scaffold entrance onto the jack-up barge. So yeah, not too bad. So work is starting. Yeah, so we're back down on the Iron Bridge. As you can see, I've now made a scaffold platform going up to the jack-up barge, which is pretty cool. I've never actually seen any scaffold like that before. Yeah. Try and get a side shot there. Birdies. Oh, you see the damage bit. I usually have a camera in a minute. Get the nice little famous shots on put on Facebook. And those jack-up thingies don't look like they've done very much to me. Don't look like they've unbolted it or anything. Must just be taking the weight. Yeah. They've got a boat on top of there. God, look at that scaffold. That's just fucking mental, man. So they want to move that up and down. Do they have to like take the scaffold down, or does it pivot with it? That's mental. There's nothing even holding it. How the fudge did they get that up like that? Oh yeah, I see. The tubes are quite conveniently longer than the gap. God, fucking hell, look at all the reinforcing they've had to put on the bottom of there to hold that up. That's just mental. I've never seen scaffolding like that before. Yeah. Yeah, if I use the other camera I can get a lovely shot of that so-called damaged bit. Yeah, you see a bit of damage on the bottom there. I wonder how that was caused, probably by a big fuck off tree coming down the river or something. You know, the water just rubbing up against it, salt water after all. It smells salty anyway. Fuck off, is there a dead fish there? That's a dead fish. I wonder why the fish is dead. Yeah, that's interesting. Why do I see a dead fish? Literally is a dead fish there. Why is the fish dead in the river? They're meant to live in the river, not dead. Well, yeah, they don't took the river very clean today. Yeah, literally a dead fish there. But, yeah, get a nicer view of that. Booty. Right, let's go up the top, see if anything happened up there. Well, to be honest with you, I can still get on it. Just to wind up whoever put this up, of course. But I wouldn't have been planning on going on it anyway, but it's a bit of a shame you put this annoying fence here. I might just bring my spanner over so I can have a closer look. Don't know. I know what the Master Explorer would do, he'd just roll under it somehow. Alright. Well, they sort of blocked my view getting to it, but they've still got the camera up, stopping people from going in, and other than that, not much looks quite different up here. Oh, I might be able to just about see where they've jacked the bridge up. It looks like it's warping differently, but I can't quite see it from here. Yeah. You know, as I said, it's hell of hard looking at it from here. It's quite hard to see. It looks like it's bowing differently, don't know. But it's a shame they put this up. Right pain in the arse. What's this say then? Warning. I like the police officer's face. And the scared burglar. What a stupid sign. Stop unwanted visitors. You know, it's been at work seeing that thing. Yeah. Well, that's who's mending the bridge. Yeah, so I noticed. Oh, cool, look at this. Rock Park Bridge is a former railway bridge. Yeah, that's when it was built. I do believe, hang on, is there one on this map? Nope. There's a bridge further down. I do believe that one might be older, due to that line being built reasonably at the same time as this. Wow, pretty cool, huh? What do we do with foundation? I thought one of the foundations were perished on it, but obviously not. Following yeah, neat. Let's go a bit of footage of the bridge.
That's actually not the bridge, that's the barge crane.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The jack-up barge it's called.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's a shame they've got the scaffold bolted up. We could have gone up and had a look.
Yeah, don't fall in. What would happen if you fell in? I see they've got an emergency ladder there to get you
They've
out.
set up 2 new jacks on the other side of it now. Last time I came here, that weren't here. Let's have a quick look at the top, see if there's any difference up there. They've got a bit of anti-climb paint now. Camera's still there. Don't look a lot different up here apart from they've added a portaloo. I haven't even uploaded my footage of this yet, and well, I could probably still get in, but they've definitely done a better job of stopping people climbing over it. I give them that. Yeah, that ramp. Yeah. No, they ain't. They're obviously trying to stop us having a look. Look how dirty the fence is. Tides up a bit much, so you can't actually see the bottoms of the columns or anything. Bit of a shame, bit of a stupid fence in here. They got stairs going down to the water now. Just a closer shot of that. There's some stairs going down to the water. Bit pointless if you ask me. You might as well just jump off when it's high tide. What a stupid thing to say. But now, as I was saying, they've got 2 extra legs on that now. Yeah, not bad, not bad, not bad. I got offered work on this actually, driving a telehandler on the square. I really wanted to take the job, but the problem I've got, I'm already on a job, so I can't exactly just jump ship. And not only that, the grass ain't greener on the other side. I mean, I could go on it and I could only be there for a couple of days when I know I've got a stable job where I am, but there you go. There's the bridge. Got the anti-climb paint on the Harris there. It's proper. Made it like 4 knots to get in, but I can still get in, but I ain't gonna bother. Right, anyway, end of this cut. Whoa, we're on the other side for once. Yeah, that ladder's a bit fucked, isn't it? Of course I can. I say it all the time. Well, to be honest, we probably shouldn't be saying it on these videos. Hey, what's the markings down here? Yeah, you can't actually see that ladder from the other side. I wouldn't want to climb up it, that's for sure. They've also got a jib, harness jib, so I'm assuming that's for people to go down in the water. Let's have a look. Yeah, they've got another camera thing up there. They've got a bit of a site set up here. They've got caravans up here. Like I said in the previous video, the gypsies used to like hanging around here. Let's have a look. See if we can still get on just for the hell of it. Yeah, I'll still get on a piece of piss. Absolute piece of piss still get on, easy. Go down that way, work your way through. Yeah, I can see a nice little gap I can squeeze through or climb over. I'm over the fence along the thing. Not very well protected this side. Easy to get in. Protesting? Oh, protecting, I meant. Speedy hire. Got a bit of a building compound up here. Yeah, I walked up here not too long ago when I first climbed over the Iron Bridge video, and went out and looked at all the tents, and well, I want to see if I can set this thing off, because I like setting these off. It's a bit of a shame. Little bowl hole here. There's a drill down, see where the water table is. Yeah.
I done a load of sandbagging for him down at the old on the back roads to Ilfracombe.
Alright.
There's like a flood area.
Yeah. They got a padding there for something. Yeah. It's like compound. Yeah, but annoyingly they've closed off the footpath, which I actually wanted to walk down. Now we could do a Masked Explorer and just crawl under it, I
I
suppose.
was thinking of that.
Fly your drone down there, mate.
Yeah, I will do. The only problem is there's all these bloody trees.
We'll do read what that says though.
Yes. Mind you, I do like the fact that this side's all like, well, not much there left, is there? What's it made out of? Oh, cardboard. What a bummer. I'm pretty sure this is a right of way as well, so you're not actually technically allowed to block it off. Huh. The only other way would be is to walk all the way around over the link road bridge and then back on yourself. Why?
It's not a bridle way though, is it?
Three ways you can get over. Three ways you can get over.
Yeah, use the drone. Right.
The one you said.
So then, I've come here to film the Iron Bridge, but I can't actually get anywhere near it. So, let's just fly the drone over. Should we get the drone out then and fly that over instead?
Yeah, go on.
Right, let's go. Right. I can see. Right, let's have a look. It's like compound. Well, you can see a digger and a few other things. I can't quite tell what it is at the moment. Go up. Oh, I know what these things are. Hang on. These things here, I'm assuming they're going to surround the bridge with and put into the thing. There's a Manitou there. I've got a ticket for one of them. And then the huts are basically for the workmen, canteen, toilets, etc. But these big square things are going to surround the base of the bridge with them to basically be able to get down without the water spoiling it, I expect. Right.
Actually getting any footage, Troy?
Yeah. Right, and there's the bridge. Right, let's go over to the bridge. On the bridge, I can see the crane. So I'm going to zoom in. You can see crane, all sorts. Right. I'll bring her back. Annoyingly, I can't get it close enough, or I can't get close enough so I can see what I'm doing with the drone. You got your crane, a couple of containers, I'm assuming they're for tools, generator to power tools and whatever else. I'm assuming that big cylinder thing on the top there is for diesel. There's the security camera. Portaloos. Anything over here? Oh, hang on a minute. Got another crane here.
See?
Yeah, another crane.
Nice.
Yeah, that's on land, that is. So yeah, you got like the bits there to hold the water out, I suppose. What's that? It looks like concrete. So yeah, that crane there must be for the concrete in then.
I'll crash it.
Right.
Can you even see it?
Yeah.
How are you going to get it back? Zoom right in.
And we're now going to land.
Where's the river, man? Get some people.
Sorted. So then, earlier on I had the drone out, having a good old look, and well, I thought I'd come down and have a look at the things that we couldn't quite see with the drone. Mind you, that's probably like my 4th or 5th go on the drone, so well, not quite used to it yet, but I'll get there, and I'll have some proper quality videos with it. So I thought I'd come down and see the site. Signage here has changed a bit. Yeah, it's a shame this outlasted, because it's actually quite a nice bit of information, that. Let's see what the scaffold. Get in that quite easily. Yeah, still looks roughly the same here. Annoyingly, the sun's in the way. I can't exactly help what the sun bloody does. Right, let's go down underneath and have a look. The power lines, I don't want to bring the drone this side, and I'm not really supposed to be flying it places where I can't see it neither. So aggravatingly, I can't get the drone out down here because of the power lines. I don't want to be flying it anywhere near power lines and stuff. The other side's not too bad because there's no power lines, but yeah, I'm not having the risk. So right, I just have a look at the bottoms, and they seem to have welded some form of foot plate to the bottom of the bridge, and then around the base of the thing, it looked like they've welded on some sleeves or something, and they've put some rebar around it. Now I'm assuming the rebar is for concrete. Now if you've watched the footage through and saw the drone going over, you would notice those box things. They're called shutters. So what I'm assuming they're going to do is they're going to put them around the base of the feet there, and then they're going to concrete them in. If I zoom in, hopefully you'll be able to see what I mean. See where all the rebar is? So those square things are probably surround the base of these, and then pour the concrete in, and you'll have your reinforced bottom. Yeah, very nice. They've got a lot more equipment on these arms now as well. I can see chains hanging down. I can see some form of hose pipe, and the jacks are still there holding it up. So yeah, very, very interesting stuff. This thing here is actually called a jack-up barge, like I've mentioned probably 100 times in the video, and it's the only one in England. I actually think it's quite a neat bit of kit myself. Yeah, here it is. I think even those legs there have little hydraulics in them to make them go up. I can't quite tell from here because of the way the sun is. They've got a little chair in that green. Ow, if I zoom in, they've got a little chair in that little green place. That must be the gatehouse for the for this side. Gatehouse. Yeah, not bad. We've got the top. See what they've done at the top now.
Yeah, can do.
Yeah, got a lot more fencing up. And not a lot has changed up here. Not sure if you can see through or not, but I tell you what, we'll stop coming up here from now on. And the only thing that will be coming up here from now on is the drone. Because right here is quite a nice tidy place for me to get the drone up in the air. Yeah, okay, you got the trees there, but there's nothing here stopping me. So if I put it down there and fly it up, then yeah, we can have a look right on top of the bridge then, without no worries I'm going to crash into an electric fucking line or something. Cool, flip it out. I'll be in trouble if I crash that into one of those electric lines. Be in big trouble. Oh, yeah, this is a clip of the Iron Bridge done and over with.